We're going to do a brief video on S&P 500 technical analysis, and we've got a daily chart of the S&P 500 up here for you. This is the E-mini futures contract from the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. We've got a 5-day moving average in green, a red 20-day moving average, and a blue 200-day moving average. And in a minute, we're going to show you some algorithmically generated entry prices for the S&P 500. Let's take a look real quick and see what's going on. You can't see it on this chart, but we had a kind of an intraday day today for the S&P. It didn't really go anywhere, but it made a lot of noise. We're going to eventually need to do one of two things on the S&P, and it hasn't done it yet. We're going to need it after a few days, maybe 2-3 days. We're going to need to come down here at about 35.50-ish range and put in a bottom above this bottom here that was put in on October 13th, this 35.02 bottom on this E-mini futures contract. We're going to have to put in a bottom probably around 35.50, 35.55, and then rally up if we've seen the long-term bottom in the S&P. And we've got to get above 3,800, maybe even 3,820. This is our resistance up here at 3,820. We've got to get up above that, and we've got to do that with the 5-day and the 20-day below the closing prices. That's the only way to begin to move out of this bear market of the S&P 500. Barring that, and you can see we're right at the resistance of the 20-day moving average, which it's been selling off of. If we do not get that rally, we're going to come down here and test this low of October 13th, and we're going to put in a low that's going to take us, if you take a look down here, right to the 3,200 level. When we go to the weekly chart here real quick, you'll see we have 3,200 level down here, 3,225, and then 31.98. So that's where we're headed. We're flirting with the 200-week moving average here, trying to decide what's going to happen. You can see we're below the 20-week, below the 5-week. Now, it's closed right around the 5-week moving average, and that's a good sign in terms of trying to get out of this bear market that we're in. So we still have some positive a positive chance, let's say, of not continuing this bear market, but we have to see that happen, and it really needs to start to happen this week or next weekend. Excuse me, this week or next week, so that we don't come down here and test this 32 level, because the 32 level is really that's where the support is. 32.25 down to 31.98. That's where the next level of support is. So I'm looking to get a rally from here, but if we don't get it, we're going to head down to the 3,200s level. Let's take a look real quick at RBAM Research and see what it says for the algorithmically generated prices for tomorrow. We have two sets. The 30-day hold shows a short tomorrow at 37.77, and that's for tomorrow the 19th. We put these out tonight, the 18th, and then that's the 30-day hold. So get in tomorrow, assuming your own analysis says it's a good idea, at a price roughly around there. Again, you have to use your own analysis. These are for entertainment purposes only. And then close out, worst case, at a loss at the end of 30 trading days, or take your profits as soon as you can get them. And then the other one is non-trend following. It's down here. And S&P 500 for tomorrow, the 19th of October, 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20-day holds. Also showing shorts, and showing shorts similar levels. The 2-day short, 37.78, all the way up to 30, and then it's interesting, it comes down a little bit, 37.68 for the 20-day hold. So that's what we've got for you for the S&P 500 contract for tomorrow. And again, we're using the E-mini futures contract as a proxy. That's the most liquid futures contract to trade the S&P on. You can get access to all of this every morning before 7 a.m. at rbamresearch.com. Link in the description below. No credit card required. Access is free. Just head over to RBAM Research, put in your email address, and get it all for free instantaneously. These prices come out the evening before, usually after 6 p.m., but officially we say 7 a.m. in the morning before the market opens for 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC, crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts, including the S&P 500. Please keep in mind that everything you've seen and heard on here is for entertainment purposes only. Can't use our entry prices for anything other than entertainment, and our commentary as well. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a great comment for us, we'd love to hear it in the comment section below.